I'm down here at the city park with my puppy Kit. We are getting ready to do what I call a walk train, which means I get my walking in, he gets his walking in, and as we do it, we train. Today, I like to talk about a subject. You know, some people have the talent or gift, I don't know what you call it, to just not give a beep. Stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I want to give a update or two of what's gonna come, and I want to talk about my last video a little bit, but stay tuned. Now let's get this video started. Let's run that thumbnail of my beautiful dog Stormy. Did you hear me call that a thumbnail? That's an intro. Oh my God, where's my brain? But guys, there are some people in this world we live in that have the talent, the gift, I don't know what you call it, to just not give a beep. Let me paint the picture. If somebody is rude to your face, or somebody talking behind your back, if somebody's calling you bad names, how would you react? Would you believe me? I know some people that just don't give a beep. Yeah, they possess that talent. If somebody's right up in their face and they just like, I don't bother me. How does one do that? But I do know some people that have that talent. I do not have that talent. I've gotten a lot better with it. And okay, Kit, stay. Good boy. Usually this time of year in the winter time, when I grow in the rest of my winter fur for the elements, that's usually when I get comments made towards me that are not nice. And yes, they used to bother me and sometimes do. But I'm getting better to just waver them off. And yeah, if somebody's talking behind my back, I don't like it. It bothers me a little bit. But like I said, I'm getting a whole bunch better with it. Oh yes, I might be like one of these people one day. Wouldn't that be awesome? But is it taught? Is it just a natural talent? Is it a gift? How can they possess to not give a beep? I can tell some scenarios, and one of these people happens to be my wife. That's right. Okay, Kit, stay. I know we ain't getting nowhere today, is we, honey? No. Daddy keeps stopping, right? Tell you what, we'll get quite a few laps in right after this take. Then we'll do the next take. Okay, back to you guys. My wife is one of the nicest people you will ever meet if you ever met her. I'm telling you now. Yeah, I guarantee it. She is one of the nicest people on the face of this earth. But she possesses that talent that I don't give a beep. And that comes from people talking behind her back, rude to her in her face, or anything like that. It doesn't bother her. All right, I'm going to get a couple laps in, and then we'll continue on. I hope I don't forget where I'm at. So I'm going to tell you how she got that talent. Okay, got a couple extra laps in. I think I'm going to do 3 more after this and call quits. All right, Kit, he's over in the grassy area. I have another friend, a really good friend, but, well, Scarlett. I think it's okay to say her name. She possesses that talent. I don't give a beep. Another good friend of mine, which is kind of a family member, well, he is, Sam. He's able to possess that. And I didn't learn he was able to do it until one day we was fishing. And I asked him, I said, don't certain things kind of bother you? He says, Mike, I just don't care. I was like, I admire you for that. I admire my wife for that. I admire my friend Scarlett. And I know a few others that possess, well, I don't give a beep, or I just don't care. Now, I asked my wife, I said, Angie, how in the world are you able to do this? She says, Michael, with all the customers I deal with, and some of them could be just total sweethearts, but most of them are just mean and rude and rotten. And I've had everything called to me and said to me, I become numb to it. I was like, what about somebody talking behind your back? She's like, they're leaving somebody else alone, ain't they? Don't bother me. I was like, I admire you for that. Can you teach me? That's what I said to her. My friend Scarlett, I've asked her how she able to do this. Sam too. You know, I think Sam and Scarlett, I think they might have been born with it. Not being able to Don't let things bother them. I think they're born with it. My wife, I think she got that way because of having to deal with rude customers. Not just the job she's in now. It's the many jobs she's had since I've been with her. Oh yeah, my wife does deal with a lot of beautiful people. But a lot of times she deals with a lot of ugly ones too, if you know what I mean. Okay, you take me on the other hand. Don't stop, bud. Take me on the other hand. I don't have the talent to, I don't care what you say or what you think. Me, I'm the person that will react instantly. Take my appearance, especially this time of year. It's all year. A lot of people don't like the long beard hair. And take my appearance, what are you doing? And to keep an eye on him. Especially when I grow my winter fur in. I think it was about a year ago, maybe been longer than a year ago, I had an encounter with two elderly people walking at the football field. I don't know what they were doing down there, but they struck up a conversation with me and it went straight to my beard and they said some pretty horrible things. I didn't say nothing back to them because I was stunned. But usually, guys, if somebody's rude to me, I'm right back at them. I don't have a filter sometimes. But these people that don't let things get to them, that just don't give a beep, not only have a filter, but it doesn't faze them like it's never happened. It's got to be a gift. Okay, ready? Okay, come on. It's got to be a gift. It's a talent. It's got to be. And I admire people like that. That takes, what word can I find? That takes, I don't know, it takes something to be able to, you know, somebody get in your face. Let's use me for an example. Somebody get right up my face just like that. I think that was that old man said, "You're despicable. You're disgust, or you're despicable. You disgust me with that crap on your face, sir." That's what he said to me. Now you take one of these people like Sam, Scarlett, or my Angie, they'd be like, "Oh, okay. Sorry you feel that way," and won't even let them bother them. Me, I'm sitting here like, am I dirty? Am I disgusting? Gosh, should I go home and shave this off? I've gotten better on that, by the way, guys. Oh, yeah. I hope my last clip came in. Yeah. I'm not hearing my camera go beep. Yeah. See, that's the sound it makes when I hit the stop part under record, and also the sound that it makes when I record. And I'm not hearing it. Kid, do I have to train you to hear my camera too? Moving on. Talking about one stress level, if you was able to possess that talent of not giving a beep, holy smokes, your stress level would be almost non-existing. Now, it does matter to a certain, okay, I had asked Angie, you want to go to the grass? Come on. It's okay. I had asked Angie, I was like, okay, does it matter on certain people? She's like, of course, Michael. If somebody I care dearly about was to say something mean to me, of course it will matter then. But out in the public with people outside my little teeny circle of my family, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and I imagine that's the way Sam feels, and I'm pretty sure that's the way Scarlett feels. But everybody else, man, to be able to possess that talent. Do you think I was not going to show my puppy Kit today? Oh, heck no. He may not be in the thumbnail today, but there he is, guys. Kit, stay. Stay, good boy. Say howdy. I don't care, Dad. Just leave me alone. I want to walk. Okay, carry on. All right, guys, leave it down in the comments. Are you one of these people that possess that power to just not give a beep? Are you? I'm not one, but it'd be nice if I could do that. All right, let's talk about the comment I got this morning. Yeah, today's my Wednesday because this video will air Friday. I won't be able to do it tomorrow, but today is my Wednesday. And by the way, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. But I got a comment off my last video, some damn good advice from one of my subscribers. They was telling me the steps I need to go through to make him a service dog one day. And I thank them for that. Now, I'm going to tell you now, okay, kid, I hate to do this, buddy. Stay. I hate to, okay. I'm not going to make him a service dog for a while yet, y'all. He's nowhere near ready. He's got to be 100% trained. Every command I give him, he has to obey. He has to walk beside me in stores or wherever I go without questioning. Yeah, he questions me. He's still a puppy. And he may be every bit of 2 years old. Maybe even 1.5. Well, when he's ready, he's ready. If he doesn't ever get ready, then he won't be a service dog, because he's already doing the one thing I need him to do now. That's let me know if a car's behind me. That's just natural for a dog. I did mention this in my last video. Isn't just for my hearing, it's for my anxiety as well. When he's with me, my anxiety drops a little. Yeah. Plus, for God's sakes, he helps out with my depression too. I mean, yeah, right? He's the better than any pill. And what I mean by pill is medicine that a doctor will give for them issues. All right, guys, on to my last thing we'll talk about. I've been waiting for this. Oh God, have I been waiting. Today I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now. You would see a video that would be an adventure, but guess what? That day I was going to do that was on Christmas Day, and it was pouring down the rain. Okay, let him get some grass time. Oh, I basically plan my adventures when I have time. When I have time off. I have a 3-day weekend coming up. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That's right. As long as it doesn't rain, as long as something major doesn't come up, and as long as something don't happen, I'm going to do adventures all 3 days. That means the dog parks I was talking about, it's going to happen. That also means hidden walking trails that you can take your dog on, that's going to happen, which I've showed quite a few of them. And we may even take a trail in the woods. That's probably going to happen. As long as something don't come up, and God, I hope it doesn't, because I hate planning. That's what we're going to do. Seems like every time I plan something, it don't happen. One time, Angie and I planned something to me, and that was a vacation we took, and we had a lot of plans. It went off without a hitch. The only problem with that was going to take, you okay? He's sneezing. Okay, stay. One of the adventures we was going to do was go to a tunnel and through a side of a mountain, and it rained the night before and that morning. So we had to go through the tunnel in water. But still, it was fun. So guys, there you go. Hopefully, the next mini videos you will see will be of adventures. And I could do the dog parks. That's right. Looking forward to that mini series I'm gonna do. How long will it last? Well, it'll last as long as me until I run out of dog parks. Now, am I gonna do dog park after dog park after dog park, show video after video after video? No. Depending on how many dog parks I can come up with, I may show 1 or 2 a week. And if I'm showing 2 different dog parks a week, then I will add another day onto my videos. Or even 2 more days. I may videotape 5 days a week until this mini series is over with. If I show 2 dog parks a week. The dog parks are also going to be part of the mini series. There's going to be places you could take your dog within 50 miles of me and walk your dog. And we're not talking about going through the woods. We're talking about walking paths. I've probably done all these paths before and got them on my videos, but you know what? I'm going to do them again. You know, get them out there for the 2nd time. Some of them be for like the 10th or 12th time. And also, this ain't part of the series. I would be taking some trips into the woods. I'm probably going up to the fishing holes because I want to get him at the fishing holes and have him there for a long period of time so he get used to it. All right, guys, we're going to end the video now. I ain't too far from my car, and when I get to my car, we're done. Leave your comments down there. Are you one of these people that just don't give a beep. And to the person that left the awesome comment and told me exactly what I need to do about getting kits certified, I should have typed your name down and should have put it in here. Maybe one day I will start doing it, but thank you. That is a huge help. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. I hope to see you on an adventure. All right, we're out of here, guys. Lunchtime.